How to apply for a driver's license in the USA. Getting a driver's license in the United States is an important step toward independence and mobility. While the exact process can vary slightly by state, the general steps are similar across the country. Below is a clear step-by-step guide to help you understand how to apply. 1. Check your eligibility. Before applying, make sure you meet your state's eligibility requirements. Most states require applicants to be a minimum age, usually 16 for a learner's permit, have legal presence in the U.S., and be a resident of the state where they are applying. 2. Gather required documents. You will need specific documents to apply. These typically include proof of identity, such as a passport or birth certificate, proof of social security number, and proof of state residency, like a utility bill or lease agreement. Some states may ask for additional documents. 3. Apply for a learner's permit. If you are a first-time driver, you usually must start with a learner's permit. You apply at your local Department of Motor Vehicles, DMV, or equivalent office, complete an application form, pay the fee, and pass a written knowledge test and a vision test. 4. Practice driving. After receiving your learner's permit, you must practice driving for a required period. Many states require supervised driving with a licensed adult and a minimum number of practice hours before you can take the road test. 5. Pass the road test. Once you are eligible, you can schedule a road driving test. During this test, an examiner will evaluate your driving skills, including parking, turning, obeying traffic signs, and overall safety. 6. Get your driver's license. After passing the road test, you will pay the final licensing fee. In most cases, you will receive a temporary license immediately, and your official driver's license will be mailed to you within a few weeks. Final thoughts. Applying for a driver's license in the USA is a straightforward process when you follow the correct steps and prepare your documents in advance. Always check your state's DMV website for specific rules and requirements to ensure a smooth application experience. Thanks for watching.